This video chart presentation is Stornoway Diamond Corp. This is a TSX listed stock, trading our ticker SWY. This chart immediately caught my eye because it's a cup and handle pattern. It's a continuation pattern looking to continue the rise from back here in last September. Stock made a nice climb, down around 50 cents, doubling to $1. Pull back, holding half the gains, right around 70 cents. The cup itself formed with a rounded bottom through here. There's the handle portion, the sideways movement, and it tried to break out on Thursday, giving back most of the gains by the time the day closed, and still fighting resistance at $1, but a big surge in volume, 910,000 shares traded. That's a very strong volume day for SWY. So with those things going on, we're going to want to watch this on Friday and heading into next week to see if it can indeed make the move and push through that resistance point. Seeing a nice upward trend in the MACD, making higher lows as well as higher highs. Looks like the MACD is going to hold over top of zero this time and a bullish cross is coming, which all lends to the idea of the trend strengthening and this chart breaking out. Not getting a great deal from the slow still, right around 50. It's a gauge of momentum, but as the name implies, it moves very slowly. But even at this point, holding around 50, it's a pretty neutral reading. The chart has been trending sideways essentially for all of March, so there's not a great deal of momentum in the play right now. Yeah, not that big of a deal. Look for the rotation, show momentum starting to grow again. Buying pressure that came in yesterday. Got the money flow index moving sharply again. You can see the 14 registering a 76.6. MFI's pretty much been holding over 50 for the last 2 months. Tells me people are typically paying higher prices for the stock than average prices. So that's a bullish sign. Similarly, the RSI holding over top of 50. You can see the RSI 14 right now registering a 66. Readings over 50 tell me that the momentum is still bullish in the chart. All these things lending to the idea that this chart wants to try and break out. So we'll have to watch it over the next couple days to see how it performs. Essentially, though, what this cup and handle pattern is something along those lines. This is the big rounded cup portion. This is the handle portion. Generally speaking, it's a powerful bullish formation. I try not to get into price targets too much. We do those type of lessons in technical analysis in different parts of the website. But simply put, the price target comes from the overall depth of the cup, and that's added on to the breakout point, which what I'm looking for is the $1 mark. It wouldn't be completely inaccurate to say that there's a breakout point right through here. That's just a few pennies lower. But being that $1 is typically a psychological barrier, it already served as resistance back here in October, and the stock fought with it on Thursday. So for me, that's the key resistance point for this chart to demonstrate a breakout. I'm not actually looking at this chart right now for a pullback. It has such a bullish look to it. I'm looking for the breakout. To the downside, I do see some support right there at 90 cents. Even a little bit lower right through here around 88 cents. And actually a pretty strong spot right down there around 83 cents. But as I say, right now what I'm looking for is the breakout of the pattern. If it did fall down, the handle would still be intact, even with the support level down here around 83. I'd be looking at the same breakout point of $1. But with everything going on with it right now, stick with the bullish side of things and see if it can punch through $1 in the next day or so. So those are the type of things that I'll be watching for in the SWY chart. But as always, merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.